Hello everyone. Welcome back to Luce Media. So again, this is JC Penido and I am a licensed financial advisor, a book author, and a lifetime learner. So I would like to say thank you for those people who watch or viewed my second episode about characters. The topic was how important is character in the life of a person. And right now, this is my third episode, and the main topic is all about failure. Ooh, nice topic, right? So, if I may ask, what is failure? And how do we find failure, by the way? Or how do we describe failure? First, for a lot of people, failure means not being able to achieve one's desire or one's goal or one's dream. For a lot of people, that is failure. Yung mga hindi nakukuha ng mga bagay-bagay, yung mga iniisip at pinapangarap na hindi natupad. So pag hindi mo nakuha yon, failure siya. That's for some people's definition. Yung iba naman, yung failure is wala, yung talagang hindi nakukuha ang isang bagay. So it's very hard, right, for a lot of people. And I think lahat ng tao is nakaka-experience ng failure, kumbaga. And on my personal experience, I would say I also have a lot of failures in my life. First things first, may mga bagay na sa pagkakalam ko hindi ko nakuha, hindi ko na-achieve, hindi ko na-attain o hindi ko narating, na feeling ko na hindi yata ako blessed o hindi yata ako pinagpala kasi may mga bagay akong ninais, ginusto pero hindi siya dumating. Tinry ko naman but hindi talaga siya in a way dumating sa buhay ko. So may mga failures din ako in terms of mga financials kasi there were a lot of times or na problema ako sa pera sa allowance, sa needs, at sa may mga bagay na hindi ko mabili dahil wala nga akong pera o kung meron man, very minimal. So, yun, in a way, in that sense, masasabi ko na failure yan. But, I also realize that failure is really part of life, but it doesn't mean that kung na-fail tayo sa isang bagay, mafe-fail din tayo sa ibang bagay. Kasi probably one of the reasons is it was not meant for us. Not necessarily na failed tayo, but it's just that may mga bagay na para sa atin, may mga bagay din na hindi para sa atin. Tama? So, ganun lang yun. Huwag natin isipin na failed tayo sa mga bagay-bagay kasi lahat naman may reason. At saka, I always believe na kung para sa atin is para sa atin. So, that's why I don't think much about failures in the sense. So, at saka, I also would like to note that napapaisip ako, ano yung mga bagay or failure na nangyari sa buhay natin na we can also say na it was a point of reflection or a point of departure or in a way a blessing in disguise. Kasi kung nangyari pala yung bagay na yon, hindi tayo makakapunta sa kung ano tayo ngayon. So, do you think may mga ganun kayo? So ano yung masasabi nating failure na naging blessing pala siya? So, I think it's a good reflection, right? And I'd like you to know that whatever happens, life must go on. And I know we can. So, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let comment kung anong mga nasa isip ninyo about sa episode na ito. And I'll be waiting for that. And thank you again for watching this episode 3 about failure. And I hope that our wisdom or our heart, or by the way, our heart will grow more in loving people. Our minds, we get more wisdom, and our hands will be converted into helping people. So thank you very much, and again, this is JC Penido, and thank you for watching, and I bless all of you, and may God bless us all, and thank you for watching Luce Media. Bye bye.